15 hidden phone tools that will blow your mind. Your phone isn't just for calls, chats, or social media. It's a powerhouse filled with tools most people don't even know exist. Today, I'll show you 15 hidden phone tools that will absolutely blow your mind. 1. Screen recorder capture tutorials, gameplay or meetings with eyes. 2. QR code scanner instantly open websites, menus or make quick payments. 3. Document scanner snap and save receipts or notes as crystal clear PDFs. 4. Screencasting project your phone onto smart TVs for movies or presentations. 5. Voice-to-text typing speak and let your phone do the typing. 6. Emergency SOS quickly alert loved ones and share your location in danger. 7. Focus mode block distracting apps and stay productive. 8. Digital well-being track and control your screen time for healthier habits. 9. Nearby share / airdrop transfer files instantly without cables. 10. Wi-Fi hotspot share your internet connection on the go. 11. Google Lens / iOS live text translate. Shop or identify objects with your camera. 12. Offline maps navigate easily without internet access. 13. Battery saver mode stretch your last 10% battery for hours. 14. Hidden file safe / secure folder protect sensitive files with security. 15. Clipboard manager access multiple copied texts at once. These 15 hidden tools transform your phone into more than just a gadget. It's your ultimate life assistant. Start exploring them today, and you'll never look at your phone the same way again. If this blew your mind, share and subscribe for more smart tech secrets.